Restoration of the Salton Sea proposes to expand the wetlands for ecological revitalization and cultural use. The Salton Sea was once a desert oasis for both wildlife and humans, but the salinity has gotten to a point of saturation that is uninhabitable. Upon analyzing the shoreline at Bombay Beach, we found opportunities for dust mitigation and revitalization ponds to help restore life back to the receding shoreline. Choreographed with heavy machinery, we can help steward emerging wetlands to create habitat for a diverse range of plant and animal species while creating recreation that educates at the same time. A multi-use landscape can be beautiful and functional for everyone. The native Cahuilla once had a subsistence lifestyle in the Salton Sink before the recreation of the sea in 1905. Although it may not look so today, many lives still reside and depend on the Salton Sea. Bombay Beach brings in tourists with art installations, but the Pacific Flyway, the path that billions of migratory birds use from the Arctic tundra to the South American wetlands, rely on the Salton Sea as a stop for rest and food. These birds follow roughly the same path every year. California has lost over 90% of wetlands along the coast. However, the Salton Sea is home to over 800 acres of manageable wetlands already. By expanding the emerging wetlands along Bombay Beach, we can create more opportunities for everyone. Humans can learn about California ecologies through the restoration of the Salton Sea. We can learn about climate change and the receding shoreline by taking a walk down the boardwalk as it marks the past historic shorelines at shaded rest points. Permeable structures provide cross-ventilation and an up-close view of residential and migratory birds. Strategic tillage will help vegetate the shorelines, filter in agricultural runoff, and divert water to restoration ponds and new habitat.